In this video I'm gonna show you two different trig identities, and we can solve them from difference of squares. We have cosine t over 1 plus sine t equals to 1 minus sine t divided by cosine t. And in this side I have sine t divided by 1 plus cosine t equals to 1 minus cosine t divided by sine t. So what I can do, cross multiplication, it's going to be cosine t, cosine squared. This one is going to be 1 plus sine t times 1 minus sine t. We know a plus b times a minus b will be equal to a squared minus b squared. That's the difference of squares. I talked about it many times. So we will have 1 minus sine squared t. So that's proven because we know is sine squared t plus cosine squared t equals to 1. Same thing we can do here. So cross multiplication is going to be sine squared t equals to 1 plus cosine times 1 minus cosine. So it's going to be 1 minus cosine squared t. So it's going to be sine squared t plus cosine squared t equals to 1. So that's proven.